Quantum computing is rapidly moving from theoretical promise to tangible reality, and Rigetti Computing is leading the charge. But here's where it gets controversial. With their latest announcement, they're not just making incremental improvements. They're pushing the boundaries by deploying a 36-qubit multi-chip quantum computer that could redefine the industry landscape. Rigetti, under the leadership of CEO Dr. Subodh Kulkarni, has announced that their new system, called Cepheus 136Q, is now available through the Rigetti Quantum Cloud Services (QCS) platform, with plans to expand to Microsoft Azure soon. What's remarkable about this machine isn't just its size. It's the fact that it demonstrates a twofold reduction in 2-qubit gate errors compared to their previous model, Ankaa-3. Achieving a median 2-qubit gate fidelity of 99%, Cepheus 136Q is actually a groundbreaking milestone. It's the first multi-chip quantum system to reach this level of performance. This advancement was possible thanks to a chiplet-based architecture that first showed promise in 2021, supporting inter-chiplet entanglement and benefiting from innovations like faster 2-qubit gates and improved inter-module coupler design to reduce errors and enhance coherence. Looking ahead, Rigetti is ambitiously targeting a 100-plus qubit system, also built on chiplet technology, aiming for an average 2-qubit gate fidelity of 99.5% by the end of 2025. They believe superconducting qubits are the way forward because they scale better and operate faster by 1,000 times compared to ion traps and neutral atoms. After a hefty $350 million equity funding in Q2 2025, plus a cash reserve of around $571.6 million, Rigetti is poised to push this vision into reality, fueling further research, commercial applications, and strategic collaborations that could accelerate their journey toward practical, fault-tolerant quantum computing. Financially, the company's second quarter of 2025 paints a mixed picture, but not a bleak one. Revenue stood at just $1 million, while operating expenses reached $20.4 million, resulting in a notable operating loss of $19 million and a net loss nearing $40 million. Still, much of this loss was due to non-cash accounting impacts tied to derivative warrants and future obligations, which are common in high-growth tech sectors to manage risks and investments. The sizable cash cushion underscores Rigetti's strong position despite early-stage financial hurdles. The recent capital raise not only grants them the resources needed for continued development, but also signals confidence from investors in their long-term vision. This influx supports scaling their quantum processors, enhancing chiplet architecture, and accelerating deployment strategies. What's particularly exciting, though undoubtedly controversial, is Rigetti's strategy of leveraging semiconductor manufacturing techniques, like chiplets, to address the immense challenges of scaling up quantum processors. By doing so, they aim to avoid costly, entirely new manufacturing processes, making quantum systems more feasible at a commercial level. CEO Kulkarni emphasizes that multiplying chiplet counts and reducing errors are the clear pathways toward achieving quantum advantage and fault tolerance, terms that spark debate about just how close we are to genuinely useful quantum computers. And this is the part most people miss. While the industry celebrates milestones like Cepheus 136Q, the real question is how quickly these incremental improvements will translate into transformative, real-world applications, and whether competitors will catch up or leap ahead with radical new approaches. So, what's your take? Are these advances enough to mark the beginning of quantum supremacy? Or is it more of an early step? Drop your thoughts in the comments. This ongoing race between technological promise and practical reality is far from over.